So I was performing my morning rituals that I do every day, and I come outside to look at nature and ground a little bit, and this is what I see. Let me show you what I see here. There's the. So this is what I see here. You can see the clouds begin to form a ring. It's now dissolving slowly overhead. And now it's starting to dissipate and dissolve. Very cool stuff. The way nature reacts to magic and ceremonies and just spiritual work in general. It's really interesting how nature responds to the stuff that you do on the spiritual level. So, thought I'd share that. I always find those things cool.